Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have prerequisites. Now start by opening your API project in Visual Studio Code so you can modify and run code immediately. Once the folder is open, make sure the correct workspace interpreter or node runtime is selected in the bottom bar. Install or enable extensions like the REST client or language-specific debugger to streamline testing. This first step links editor, interpreter, and extensions. It prevents environment mismatches and lets you run the API without trial and error later on. Next, configure how VS Code launches your API so runs are reproducible. Create a launch. JSON that points to your entry file and maps ports and add tasks. JSON for build steps if needed. Load environment variables from env file or the debug configuration so secrets and ports are consistent. Use the Run and Debug panel to start the server or run npm start/python-m commands in the integrated terminal. Once running, the editor's debugger will attach and display logs and breakpoints. Finally, test your API endpoints from within VS Code or an external client and iterate until responses match expectations. Make sure to set breakpoints and inspect variables when logic fails. This reveals why endpoints return errors or unexpected data. When ready, run deployment scripts or containerize with Docker from the terminal. If something goes wrong, check listening ports, environment variables, dependency versions, and terminal logs first. These 4 items solve most runtime issues and get you back to a working API fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.